Hello, guys. Welcome into today's lesson. This is your very own teacher, the undergraduate teacher. In today's lesson, we are looking at a question which came in Science Paper 2, which is Chemistry subject. It is a question which was on Section B, Question 5. This is under under bonding. This is a ionic bonding question. The question was saying the diagrams show the electronic structures of two ions of elements X and Y. So it is showing that this is element X and the element Y is this one. So now it is showing that this one it had the positive charge X, this one had the two negative charge. So that means this one lost one electron. That means this one gained two electrons. So now the question A was saying state the group and the period of the elements X and the Y. So we are going to say this X, it is in group 1. The reason why we are going to say it is in group 1 is that before it lost that electron in the outermost shell, there was one electron. So group number is equal to the number of electrons in the outermost shell. Then period, we are going to say 4. So before it lost the electron, as you can see, 1, 2, 3. There was another outermost shell there was another shell in the outermost shell. So it had the four shells before it became an ion. So that's the reason why it is in period D4. This is what we can say. Then Y, the group Y belongs. So now we are looking at the group where Y belongs. You are going to say before it gained the 2 electrons in the outermost shell, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Before it gained this one and this one, that means it had the 6 in the outermost shell, 6 electrons before it gained 2 electrons. Then the period, you have to count the number of shells. You say 1, 2. So that means it belongs to period 2. So now, the question now, the question was saying, name the elements X and Y. What is X? Before, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means it's 8, 80, 10. It's here it has got 18. Before it lost one electron, it had 19. When you go on the periodic table, you find that the atom which has got 19 down, it is potassium. Well, that means it has got 19 protons, 19 electrons. So you say this one is potassium. Then when you talk about the Y, what is element Y? You need just to count this before it gained. This must start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you go on the periodic table, you find that the number, when you go down there on the periodic table, like this on the periodic table, 8, you find that the one which has got, like we talked about the potassium having 19 here. When you go to this side of the periodic table, we have talked about 8. We have talked about 8. So 8. Here, 8. The one which has got 8 is oxygen. So now, before it gained the 2 electrons, it had 8 electrons. So that means it is oxygen. Oxygen. You say supposed to be oxy. You say oxygen. Then according to question D now, question B, elements so periodic or group trends. Give one trend of the group where X belongs. So you are going to say answer the activity increases down the group. That's the answer. What you need to understand, as you go down group 1, atoms gets larger. Outer electrons in further from nucleus. So according to this question, we're asking about what are the properties of this group as you go down. So you can just say the activity increases down the group. So we have come to the end of our lesson. Why should you struggle with chemistry when the undergraduate teacher is here? Just subscribe to my YouTube channel for more science lessons.